Welding is a process that's used to join essence together, and it has been around for thousands of times. However, it wasn't until the Industrial Revolution that welding truly took off. A blacksmith hard at work, sparks flying and the furnace on fire. A blacksmith hard at work with sparks flying and the fire. In the forge, the veritably foremost welding process involved fire and forging. This primitive form of welding was used to join iron and sword by hotting the essence until it glowed, also forging it to fuse the two pieces together. Artist's picture of someone welding with fire and a hammer. Throughout the 19th and 20th centuries, the welding process evolved as more advanced tools and ways were developed. Acetylene welding, for illustration, still used fire, but combined it with the power of oxygen to melt and form jewels. Ultramodern welding equipment. The development of electricity brought bow welding into the equation. This type of welding uses an electric current that burns essence and produces violent heat, and it's still one of the most popular forms of welding moment. Welders in ultramodern welding helmets in a plant setting. In the 21st century, the welding assiduity has embraced a slice-edge technology called emulsion welding. This type of welding uses spotlights and electron shafts to fuse essence without any fire or heat. From its morning in the Iron Age to its ultramodern form of emulsion welding, welding has come a long way. The process may be thousands of times old, but it's still used every day in a variety of diligence. The World Wars played a significant part in advancing welding technology. Welding was necessary in shipbuilding, aircraft construction, and tank manufacturing during both World War I and World War II. The demand for faster and more effective welding ways led to farther inventions and advancements in the field. Resistance spot welding utilizes electrical resistance to produce heat and weld two essence shells together. Generally used in automotive manufacturing, spot welding creates strong, harmonious joints with minimum heat deformation. Robotics and robotization has revolutionized welding in the 21st century. Robotic welding arms can precisely execute complex welds with speed and delicacy, enhancing effectiveness and thickness in mass product. Welding safety involves high temperatures, violent light, and potentially dangerous smothers. Safety measures have evolved significantly. Ultramodern welding helmets, defensive apparel, and proper ventilation systems are employed to guard welders' health. As environmental mindfulness grows, sweats are being made to develop further environmentally friendly welding processes, reduce energy consumption, and minimize waste. Overall, it's clear that welding itself has come a long way since the Cetacean Age and has evolved from its primitive origins into the sophisticated and precise process its moment. By understanding the path welding technology has taken over the centuries, ultramodern tradesmen are suitable to continue pushing the boundaries of fabrication ways and produce quality products that meet the ever-changing requirements of society. Hasta la vista.